I also found a set of, for those of you who know that there's the Cindy Lou Who, a set of Grinch brick sets by Brickcraft. So we have Cindy Lou, we have the Grinch, and we have my favorite, Max, the dog. And what's neat is it has a string so it can hang, but it also, on the back, has a piece that can come out and be a display stand if you want to put it on a table. So these are a little bit bigger than the others. These run between over 120 pieces. They're not a lot more, but they are a bit. And then, in addition to those, they came out with some really great larger Grinch sets. So here we have the Grinch wreath, which says Merry Grinchmas. This one goes up to 523 pieces. These are a lot bigger. These will take a little bit more time, but they're still, you know, not really difficult long builds. And then there's the Grinch popping out of the chimney. This one's 504 pieces. It's up the chimney Grinch, it calls it. And it says it has movable hands, arm, and hat. So you can kind of pose it the way you want to. And then this is the one my husband, Mr. Stalonis Reviews, says is his favorite. So this is the Grinch coming out the bottom of the fireplace into the room where all of the presents and things are. And it looks like they still have some things on it that are, looks like maybe the tree is a little bit posable and things like that. And there's Max watching him do all the bad things. So we're really looking forward to doing these sets. I think they're going to be lots of fun. And like I said, I have already really enjoyed building the brick crafts that I've already done. So I'm really hoping to continue to enjoy these. Please look in the description for some links. We're going to try and link the videos from my previous Bricktanical builds and some links to some of these products and to the Brickcraft website, we hope. But just go ahead and take a look at those links and see what you can find. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click our link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.